people are asking for. They're asking for human dignity to be observed. Our people want to be treated properly like human beings. They don't want to be treated like animals, like we have seen out there in the streets. Our people, our young people, want freedom of conscience, religion, belief, and opinion. They want freedom of expression. They want freedom of association, freedom to assemble, to demonstrate, to picket and petition, and not to be greeted by bullets. Mr. Speaker, when we talk about 39 people dead, it's as if we are counting heaps of logs of firewood. These are children of people. There's a mother somewhere shedding tears today, Mr. Speaker. There is a father somewhere talking about the lost opportunities as a result of a young person doing what he was told he can do comfortably under this constitution. When you talk about the 39, we are talking about Ibrahim Kamau. Ibrahim Kamau had just left high school, Mr. Speaker. He was felled by a sniper outside this parliament. He was killed within the presence of parliament. We are talking about David Chege, a computer science graduate from Jomo Kenyatta University, felled by a sniper's bullet outside this parliament. The blood has not died in the grass of parliament. We are talking about Eric Shieni, a university student. We are talking about Evans Kiratu, who was killed by a tear gas when tear gas exploded on him. We are talking about Rex Kanyike, Brian Kasaine. Gen Z are saying, grant us the rights that are due to us in the Constitution. More importantly, Gen Zs are demanding that the economic and social rights that are granted unto them in this Constitution and which belong to them, it's not granted by the state. The duty of the state is to fulfill it. These rights belong to the Gen Zs and to the people of Kenya. Mr. Speaker, you don't need a committee of rocket scientists. You don't need a committee of experts. You don't need people from the United Nations to come and interpret for you this Constitution. The answers to the problems are all here. Gen Zs are saying, let us ensure that Chapter 6 of this Constitution is observed and fulfilled, because we have made leadership, and particularly political office, an opportunity to lord over other people and not to serve them. Mr. Speaker, I believe that if the government sat back and reflected, they would realize that all the answers and all the solutions are here. I want to propose further, Mr. Speaker, as we craft this motion and as a leader of majority brings further amendments, I am particularly disturbed when I see the military walking around the streets of Nairobi. Mr. Speaker, we have seen what has happened in neighboring countries. Let us not tempt our military. Let us keep them in the barracks. Let them do the spectacular job they have always done of defending and protecting this nation from external aggression. When you bring the military to the streets, it is like exposing a child to sugar or a child to honey. It has been seen before, it has happened before. South Sudan, Maine, Mr. Speaker. Sudan was a big economy. It was booming. The agricultural sector, the petroleum and mining sector was booming. Sudan is now in shambles. Ethiopia, Mr. Speaker. Ethiopia was an economy that was